I just took down my 2-month-old braids, and in this video I want to show you guys how I detangle my hair after taking the braids out, and how I use my deep conditioner to deep condition my hair. Even though I didn't show the process of how I took down the hair, but I'm going to show you how I detangle my hair using flaxseed gel. So if you are new to this channel, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. If you are interested in growing healthy natural hair, then do well to subscribe for more content. Without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Hey guys, so today I want to show you guys how I detangle my hair. This is the second day after I took down my braids, and I've not been able to detangle it. I was supposed to detangle it yesterday, but I could not do that yesterday. So I want to do that today, and I want to carry you guys along. I want to show you how I do that, and probably you might want to try it out too. Okay, so and I also want to show you guys how much hair I've lost or I will be losing after this process. So first, I'll be spraying my hair with water. I'll be using flaxseed gel, which I showed you guys in my last video. Using oil because I don't know if I'll be able to wash my hair today or tomorrow. So the reason why I'm using oil is to prevent the flaxseed gel from bringing out white flakes on my hair. I'm just going to be using my fingers and a white tooth comb. I might use a hairbrush, I'm not really sure, but I might use it too. But these are the main things I'll be using: my fingers and then my white tooth comb. So guys, let's get into business. Okay, so yeah, you can see how dry my hair is at the moment. My hair is very dry, so I'll be doing it one at a time. Okay, let's just secure this part. So guys, while you're watching, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and follow me for more lifestyle content and hair content. Okay, if you would like to grow healthy long natural hair, don't hesitate to follow me, because I'll be sharing more tips on how you can grow your hair. Okay, just to make it down. I just finished washing my hair, and I'm about to deep condition my hair because I've kept my hair for a very long time, for 2 months. I made this deep conditioner to deep condition my hair. Okay, so it's a protein based deep conditioner. I just made it to condition my hair, okay, so that I will strengthen my hair strands the more. Okay, because I lost a lot of hair, not actually a lot, but I lost some hair, so I want to make my hair super strong. Okay, so After washing my hair, this was the little amount I lost. Why am I losing this small amount is because I detangle my hair very well after losing my braids in my last video. Okay, so I detangle my hair very well using flaxseed gel. So if you want me to teach you how to make a flaxseed gel to detangle your hair after losing your hair before you wash it, do well to let me know in the comment section, and I'll make a video on how to make a flaxseed gel. And yeah, I've washed my hair as I've said earlier, so it's time to deep condition my hair. Okay, so I'll be using water, I'll be using a white tooth comb, and possibly I'll be using a hairbrush. Okay, so these are the things I'll be using, and of course the deep conditioner. Okay, so guys, let's get straight into business. Using a deep conditioner on natural hair is not just extra care. It's one of the main things that helps your hair actually retain length and stay healthy. It helps to restore moisture. Natural hair tends to be dry because oil from your scalp don't easily travel down the strands, but deep conditioner penetrates the hair shafts and bring back lost moisture, leaving your hair soft and hydrated. It also helps to improve hair elasticity. Deep conditioning helps your hair stretch without breaking. This means when you detangle or style, your hair can handle it better and won't snap easily. It also helps to reduce breakage. Dry, weak hair breaks faster. A deep conditioner strengthens your hair, making them more resistant to breakage, which also helps in length retention. After deep conditioning, your hair becomes softer and smoother. This reduces knots and tangles, saving you time and preventing unnecessary hair loss during detangle, which makes detangling much easier. It also strengthens the hair. Many deep conditioners contain proteins and nourishing ingredients that help repair damaged strands and improves overall hair strength. It adds shine, repair damaged hair, enhances manageability. Okay, so your hair becomes easier to style, braid, twist, or even wear out. It just behaves better. So I'm just going to wrap my hair with this nylon because there's no light, so I'll just wrap it with nylon and let it sit for some minutes, and then wash it off, and then I'll just moisturize my hair afterwards. But I'll do that in the next video. I'll show you guys how I moisturize my hair in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.